When you're creating a brochure, it's important to include page numbers for your readers. Manually adding them to every page would be time-consuming, but thankfully, InDesign makes this process simple. First, open your Pages panel and double-click on your parent page, which in this case is called A Master. I want my page numbers to appear at the bottom. To get a closer look, I'll zoom in using Ctrl+2, so I'll grab the Type tool and create a new text frame at the bottom of the page. Now it's time to insert the page number. To do this, go to Type, Insert Special Character, Markers, choose Current Page Number. This places a dynamic marker in your text frame. On the parent page, it may show a letter instead of a number, but that's normal. It will display the correct page number on every document page. Now let's style the page number. Open the character panel and adjust the font size, then use the paragraph settings to set the alignment. Once that looks good, copy the page number from the first parent page, paste it onto the second parent page, and simply change the paragraph alignment so it matches the layout on that side. To check that it works, return to the Pages panel and jump to any page in your document. You'll see the page number has updated automatically. If you add or remove pages later, InDesign will handle the numbering for you, so you never have to worry about it again, making your workflow much faster and easier. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.